Emotional moments as families separated after showing up for immigration hearings and being detained by ICE agents right after. This family's case was dismissed, and then agents took them into custody. And scenes like the one you're looking at right there, one of several that played out today outside of immigration courts downtown.
Our Erica Hernandez has been out there all day. Erica, do we know just how long these things have been happening?
Yeah, JP, this has been happening for about a week now. What we're seeing is either a van or a bus parked in this area behind me in front of immigration court. They're setting up here in the morning and in the afternoon when there are scheduled hearings. Once that hearing is over, then we're seeing an ICE agent walk out with somebody who has been detained. Now, I spoke to an immigration lawyer earlier today to talk about what is going on in that courtroom and if all of this is even legal. A mother and her child being forced into a unit. The son trying to calm his mother down. A husband and wife separated. The husband telling us his wife had her second court hearing to secure access to stay in the United States, but the case, out of nowhere, he said dismissed. He says they dismiss your case. It's why you shouldn't come because they will take you. But immigration lawyer Kessler McFarland says not going is not what one should do either, because then an automatic deportation hold is put on your record.
Right now, the biggest advice I can give to people is make sure you seek advice from an attorney before you do anything. But there are ways that you can appear virtually to your immigration court hearings. How, when, why, whether you're eligible for it or not is very complicated. So that's why I'm saying definitely seek legal advice.
McFarland herself has been in and out of the immigration court the past few weeks and says the entire thing feels like a setup.
It definitely is a trap. What we've been seeing is, and it's happened to some of my clients, where we go to court, the government attorney is offering to dismiss the case. There is some question as to the legality of what's going on. The law seems to, for some people, yes, absolutely, what they're doing is within their authority. For other people, it's very complicated, but for other people, there is some question about whether they can be placed in this expedited removal process based on their history.
Now, ICE did confirm to us Wednesday they have the authority to arrest individuals who are undocumented, even outside of court hearings. But critics argue that this tactic undermines trust in the system.
Everybody's very scared about what's going on.
Now, McFarland did go on to tell me that there are some lawsuits already pending or in the works about these types of detainments. Now, overall, today we did see more than 5 people be taken away. Live downtown, Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.